So the fishing community in Jamaica is a growing community. A lot of persons are into fishing, and there is even way more persons who are interested in getting into fishing. However, a lot of persons don't know where to get gear from, right? Yes, there's online, Amazon, eBay, all of that, but there are actually local stores here in Jamaica where you can get fishing gear from, right? I will do a video. There are actually several, but today I'll be focusing on one in particular, right? And that is the Hipro Supercenter. So guys, this is one of the many places you can actually get fishing gear from. This is actually my favorite place to actually get fishing gear from. So I'm going to show you the process. Of course, this is Hipro Supercenter out by White Marl, Central Village. So of course, you know, we have to sanitize. Alright, so we sanitize. Automatic. Let's go through. So this is Hipro Supercenter, and here is the fishing supplies. So all of these different things, all fishing related. You can get your reels, your polarized glasses, tons and tons and tons of different fishing line. I would recommend, wait, them have no 20? Normally, if you like regular little fishing, if you catch a little panfish, 15 to 20 pound is perfectly fine, right? If you go lure fishing, or you go use bait, catch like live bait and so on, and then, you know, set a line, you know, you can use around 40 to 60 pounds depending on what you need. I prefer to use 30, but there's no 30, so I would pick up a 40 pound in this case. And of course there are swivels. You have swivels over there, different type of swivels, hooks. So you can have a size 6, size 4, you're going for your panfish, you can do a size 6, even a size 8 can work, right? Those are small fish like half pound, quarter pound. You can catch like up to a 1 or 2 pound on it, of course. So there you have it. Then next we have some bucktail bait. Here we have some swim bait right here. Just different kind of baits, as you can see. Alright, we have a cast net, we have tackle boxes, more lures here, this now, what do you call this? Spool. I don't even remember the name for these, but basically you wind up the line on it and then you cast this out. So you can buy one of these for, as you say, around 1500 with GCT or so on, and use, or you can buy one of these beautiful rods. So this is an eagle claw. Let's see. Crap. Oh, it's not. X. Okay, there we go. So it's an eagle claw medium heavy, right? You can use between 14 to 20 pound line on this, lower weight, 3/4 to 2 ounce. I think the line that comes on it is 15 pound. I'm not certain, but this is a great starter rod. This is actually what I started with, and this works out to about 8,000 Jamaican dollars for the complete set. As you can see, let me see, what's the length of this? It should tell me the length. 7 foot rod, and I think those are probably 8 foot right here. So these are the 7 and those are the 8. So sorry, miss, what's the price for these rods? Okay, so that's the price for the 8 foot, and the price for the 7 foot is, and mind you, that's before GCT, but with GCT it won't be far off. So these are very great starter rods. So you can buy a rod. As you see, it already comes spooled with a line. So I would then just suggest you buy a rod. Next, you're going to need some swivel. So this 10 pack right here of, let's see, this 10 pack of what's this, 12 to 100 pound test. So this would be perfect for that size line, right? And then after you have gotten your swivels, you're going to need some hooks. So you can work with this one right here, which is size 6, as you see, right? You can work with the 4 right here, or we can work with a size 8. These are for small pan size fish, which is what you'll be. This is what most persons will start fishing for, right? So we have a rod, we have our hooks, we have our swivel. So what you need next is some weights. So here we have some pyramid sinkers. I'm not certain of the weight on that. Remember, these rods are rated for 3/4 to 2 ounce. So you can put, if that's a 1/4 pound, then you can go from there to at least, what, not these. These look like 2 ounces. So probably 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce. Alright? You don't need any extra line right now. So that would be the case. You just get this. After a while, after you have done some fishing and you get the hang of it, next I would recommend everybody to braid fishing line, which they actually sell here as well, right? Trust me, braid, once you go to braid, you'll never go back to just using regular monofilament line. Like, braid is just way stronger. It's stronger, it's more sensitive. It's just amazing, right? So I think we have covered all the basics as to what we need. So remember, this is Hipro, alright? This is the fishing section, and all your fishing, well, not all, but majority of your fishing needs you'll be able to get here. Okay guys, that was Hipro Supercenter here in St. Catherine, Jamaica. One of several places where you can get fishing gear from. Alright, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. There will be other videos on other locations locally where you can purchase fishing items from. What other video do you want to see? Let me know in the comments below. Whatever it is that you want to see right now, just let me know. Alright, thanks for watching. Maxi out.